Good morning everybody. Hope you're having a lovely day at your urban garden like I am here in mine. So there's so much I want to talk about but very little time and so much to show, but I just wanted to show you how having a pollinator garden has been helping me greatly with my yield and production. My peppers are like crazy. I don't know what to do with so many peppers. Also, I just harvested a banana from next to my AC unit, and strawberries, eggplant is growing, collard green still doing awesome, so much lettuce. And I think it's all gratefully due to my pollinator garden. I feed them and they've been feeding me because I really noticed a greater production on my plants. So I'm gonna show you my pepper plants. I'm gonna show you a little bit of my wildflower garden, which is right there. Been bringing a lot of bees and butterflies, and hopefully one day I'll get to show you my yard. There's always a project, but I guess I'm just gonna do it. So let me show you my pepper plants. Some of my pepper plants, I already harvested so many peppers, but as you can see, there's so many more out there. So what I've been doing is freezing them, eating them fresh. They're very nice and sweet. And just today I roasted some. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 plants right here. 2 spicy ones growing right here. And it's crazy how many peppers I have on this bed. Let me show you the other bed now. So here's my other bed. I have another 4 plants right here and 2 spicy peppers here. These are lady finger peppers, and they'll be ready when they turn red. But I harvested so many peppers, and look at it. And I've been seeing the pollinators coming by, the bees. So I guess that's the secret for production. Help your pollinators and they will help you. So these are some of my peppers that I harvested. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 peppers. Oh my goodness. Yum yum. So right here on the side of my house, I have some more plants. I'm gonna redo this bed here. I got a new raised bed that I want to use. It will look aesthetically more pleasing. But here's the banana tree or banana plant that I got. And I harvested the bananas from it. And as you can see, the mother plant was right there. And now I have quite a few pups. And this larger one is about 10 feet tall. It's been next to this AC unit, which concerned us a little bit because of the roots. But you know what? Seems like it's doing okay. We've been keeping only 1 plant, and that way there's not a lot going on here for the AC. But the other one that I have on the other side didn't produce as well. So this spot here is nice and wet, and the banana is just loving it. So let me show you those bananas inside my pantry room and the ones inside the garage too. Look at all these butterflies. Crazy. You want to increase your production, just bring the pollinators in. I'm not getting a lot of passion fruit. There's 2 little passion fruits there that has been eaten by the butterfly too, as you can see here. But I'm just gonna share. They help me and I'll help them. and this passion vine will be fine. But the butterflies are just loving it. Here's the banana that I harvested last night from that plant. Maybe this is 3/4 of the bananas. The other ones are inside the garage, so quite a lot. It's like in that spot. I'm gonna show you the one in the garage. The rest of the bananas, I guess on each one of these sets of bananas, they're probably, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, probably 17 or more. This one probably has more. This one probably a little less. But look at these. Gorgeous. This is my other banana plant that I planted on this bed right here next to these 2 palm trees. And as you can see, I planted it the same time of the one that I harvested, and it's still very small. So this place is a little drier. Probably the roots of the palm trees are sucking most of the nutrients out of the soil, and it's not growing as well, but hopefully we'll get some bananas from it, even though it's going slowly. There's always so much to do in a yard, and I really wanted to give you a tour of my yard, but there's always a project, but I'll still do it anyways. For now, I'm gonna give you some little videos of what I have growing. So this is it for me right now.